God is saying to you today that angels are messengers of love and light, and that when they come to us with a message as important as the death of a loved one, it is important to take the time to reflect and honor the memory of that person. When angels deliver this news, they often do so with the utmost care and compassion because they understand the deep emotions and grief that come with loss. You receive this message knowing that your loved one has moved on to a place of peace and love, surrounded by a warm and welcoming light, and is greeted by loved ones who have passed on before them. They are no longer in pain or suffering, and have been released from any earthly burdens. Yes, if you are ready, the angels want you to know that your loved one is still very much present in your life, though in a different form. They may reach out to you in subtle ways, such as through dreams, signs, or feelings of warmth and love. These experiences can bring comfort and peace and serve as a reminder that your loved one is always with you in spirit as you navigate this difficult time. Call upon the angels for support and guidance. They are always by your side, ready and willing to offer their love, wisdom, and encouragement. They can help you to find meaning and purpose in your grief and to find the strength to move forward with grace and dignity. Type I am becoming aware to affirm. Allow yourself to feel the full range of emotions that come with loss, and know that it is okay to cry, to scream, or to simply sit in stillness. Your loved one would want you to honor your grief and to find a way to continue living a meaningful life. Remember that love never dies and that the love you shared with your loved one will always be a part of you. Cherish the memories you have and hold the love you shared in your heart. The angels are here to guide you through this transition and to help you find the strength and resilience you need to move forward. When a child on a farm sees a plane fly overhead, they dream of flying. But the pilot on the plane sees the farmhouse and dreams of going home. That's life. Enjoy yours. If wealth is the key to happiness, then the wealthy should be dancing in the streets. But only the poor kids do that. However, there are times when you are unhappy with your life while many others are dreaming of living theirs. Officials should go unguarded if authority provides security, but those who live peacefully should sleep soundly. If fame and beauty bring the best kind of relationships, then the most successful marriages should belong to celebrities. Instead, they should simply walk humbly and love genuinely. And if you are ready, may God surround you with a strong sense of His great love for you. May you live each day expecting that He is working in your life. May the Bible come to life for you in a way you've never experienced, and may your prayers take on a whole new level of power and faith. You are God's child, and He is with you every step of the way. Blessed today with a deep and profound understanding of your worth, a strong sense of His love, and a gift from His hand to yours. Don't take revenge or pay back evil with evil. God has urged you to respond to insults from others by blessing them instead of taking offense. If you do this, He will grant you His blessing. The Bible states that if you want to enjoy life and have many pleasant days, you should do this. Refrain from speaking maliciously and refrain from lying with your lips. Avert evil, seek peace, and do good in order to preserve it. The Lord turns His face away from those who do evil, but His eyes are upon those who do good, and His ears are open to their prayers. May the enemy's plot against you backfire as you become stronger through your trials rather than weaker. May your firm grasp of God's promises terrify the enemy and cause him to lose heart. May you find yourself in jail. In the midst of conflict, God's promises of strength and provision where you have previously experienced lack. May your current understanding of God dwarf your previous understanding of Him. He creates everything from scratch, overcomes obstacles, and will deliver you. God is with you, soldier on Mighty One. I am grateful for the holy ascension. May you lift your ear to heaven and hear the healing song of Jesus over you. Nothing at all, can separate you from the Father's fierce love for you. He has set His affection on you and He isn't giving up on you. Choose faith in this place today, right now. Redemptive and life-giving when you're tempted to listen to contrary voices. May God's truth fill your heart and drown out lesser opinions. You are made in God's image for a divine purpose on earth. Put your arms around this reality. God is with you and He cannot fail. If you lean on Him today, He will be there for you, gracious Lord. When life's storms overwhelm us, open our eyes to see you in the midst of the storm, enabling us to stay focused on you rather than other people or circumstances, as you have done so often in the past. When we lose sight of your miraculous working power, remind us once more of all that you have accomplished and how good you are to your children. Amen. Greetings of the day. May you live by God's promises rather than what your eyes perceive. May you see progress in your circumstances right now. May you walk by faith rather than sight. Glimpses of glory that serve as a reminder that your God is deeply involved in your life. He is writing a story and setting up events in people's lives specifically for you because He loves you so much. Let your joyful heart be a testament to your unwavering trust in Him. It will please God and inspire others. He is deeply good and He treasures you. Have a beautiful day today. This message is here to remind you that you can do all things to Christ, and don't you dare give up or let fear talk you out of your dream. Remember, I am with you and you will succeed. You can do this. Check bio link to Secret of Attract Money. I am open to miracles to affirm God is saying to you today. I know you have been questioning yourself lately and wondering if you are really strong enough or good enough to do what I placed in your heart to do. Use the link in the comments area to start cherishing the enchantment of tiny things, tiny seeds, little steps, minor changes in viewpoint. Seize life at every opportunity. And remember that God talks to people in small ways before doing great things. Do you hear Him? Do not undervalue the power of your kindness. Prayers and offerings of obedience cherish today. Embrace faith, obey, and carry out modest deeds that mirror their large deeds. God provides the growth. God is a wonderworker who loves to work through people. He multiplies, He has no rival, and nothing is too tough for Him. Open your hand and trust Him to build something out of almost nothing. May God assist you in recognizing the idols in your life today. Those things that possess undue control over you and prevent you from reaching your true potential. Freedom. May you thank God for the future the enemy has threatened to take from you. May you offer Him the honor He deserves. May you attribute to Him the power you once granted to others. And may you move on with abundant grace, heavenly tranquility, and engulfing joy, for you are exceedingly wealthy in Christ. Release the bonds that bind you, and give thanks to Him for setting you free. Have a wonderful day today. I give myself over to the affirmation that you are aware of the exact moment when it is. Your intuition has been sensing a shift in the energy of your journey for some time now. An unexpected chapter has just opened, and it is about to launch you into a whole new direction. This is what your soul has been waiting for. Get ready to receive your blessings in a divine bundle. Every obstacle you have faced has strengthened every layer of your spirit that needed to be strengthened. You are too evolved to return to your former ways. A beautiful pathway is being created for you. Step onto it with faith and leave fear where it belongs. Fear is what you experience when your intuition signals that change is coming. The best time to let go is now. Let go of expectations. negative memories and situations from the past that you wish had gone differently. Don't burden your soul any longer with these burdens. There is a tremendous wave of positive energy. You may be drowning in financial troubles and having trouble paying your bills 1 minute, and then you could be drawing money in like steel to a magnet. This transformative shift in people's lives is attributed to what is known as the genetic wealth code. It's best to activate your genetic wealth code now, while this page is still active. Tap the link in my comments to do so. Once you activate it, your life will never be the same. You may activate your genetic wealth code here today. When your soul is overcome with anxiety, it's the universe telling you that your next breakthrough is just around the corner. When a chapter closes, things get confusing, difficult, and frustrating. For this reason, you must stay focused, grateful, and high-spirited throughout your journey. You have 2 options at this point. One that leads you down a path that repeats the cycles you're currently experiencing, or one that takes you into a world of fresh starts. Whatever you choose, follow your gut and be inspired by your faith. You're growing closer to greatness every day. I'm connected to affirmation. You've entered a new chapter of your life where you've finally unlocked your spirit and learned how to be in control, which was the key you needed to find all by yourself. You've changed in ways that only you and the universe could ever comprehend, and the amount of faith you now possess is overwhelmingly greater than any fear that may have once restrained you. The magic you have yet to discover will surprise you in an unexpected way. And this chapter isn't like the others in that it's much greater. Breathe it all in. You're no longer approaching the realm of breakthroughs. Instead, you're standing directly in it. The path ahead will become clear, and what once seemed like a battle you'll never win will become a tale about how you found your truth. No matter how challenging it may be, take your time. Don't rush through this section of your journey. Don't flee the moment. And walk confidently knowing that you are here to learn and grow as a person. Meet your current circumstances with a heart open to discovering something new. You chose to come here when you took the leap of faith. When you left the familiar, you took a chance on yourself and made the decision to look for more meaning, more purpose, and more answers. This very desire to discover your potential and purpose is what has brought you to this point. Your journey has been carefully crafted to ensure that every bit of magic within you will eventually triple in size. Take a moment to savor the moment, as it won't last long. You are getting closer to the end of the tunnel, but you are gradually realizing that the light at the end of it always came from within you. Be at peace. Your next chapter will leave a lasting smile on your face and a lifetime of joy in your soul type. Your story is about to change so epically that it will make your heart and head spin constantly. The effort you put into mastering yourself, I have the authority to declare that you may easily start attracting massive amounts of money right now by following the link in the comments below to learn about the stunning riches secrets disclosed by a rogue NASA scientist and subscribing to our channel. Let go of the past. You have no control over it. If you believe in God, walk away from it if the vibes aren't natural. If the energy feels off, leave it alone. If your spirit doesn't want it, don't resist the rejection. By pushing through each chapter of your journey, you're only creating more delays, obstacles, and roadblocks to appear in your path. Instead, flow through it. Don't keep trying to make changes in areas of your life. Let go of the past. It's behind you for a reason. Follow the things that give you peace of mind. Your journey depends on it. If positivity isn't what you're actually feeling at the time, don't force it. If your mind won't commit to operating at its peak, Don't force productivity. Consider what your soul is currently requesting. It might be begging for rest.